Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, I want to take you on a quick journey to one of the most enchanting places on Earth, the ancient town of Hoi An, Vietnam. If you've ever seen a picture of glowing silk lanterns reflecting on a sleepy river, or streets of moody yellow houses draped in bougainvillea, you've probably seen Hoi An. But this town is so much more than a pretty postcard. It's a living, breathing storybook. Let's start with its incredible history. For over 2,000 years, Hoi An wasn't just a cute town, it was a global powerhouse. Imagine this. From about the 16th century, it was the spice trading center for the Hindu Cham kingdom. Its port was buzzing with merchants from across the globe, Arabic dorns, Japanese samurai traders, Chinese junks, and later, European sailing ships. They came for silk, for ceramics, but especially for spices. This tiny spot was a crucial node connecting the world. That international past is literally built into its streets, because Hoi An's magic is that it never modernized its core. Instead, it was preserved, earning its status as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1999. Walking here is like walking through an architectural timeline. You'll see traditional Vietnamese tube houses with their narrow, deep designs. You'll see ornate Chinese assembly halls built by merchant communities. And you'll see charming French colonial shutters and balconies, a legacy from later eras. It's a harmonious fusion you won't find anywhere else. And right at the heart of it all is its most famous landmark, the Japanese covered bridge. Built in the 1590s, it's more than a bridge, it's a temple. It's the only covered bridge in the world with a Buddhist shrine inside, and it's so important, it's featured on the 20,000 Vietnamese dong banknote.
Về phố có khi trời chiều, nhưng ngôi nhà vắng đứng yên bên đường. Xe đạp qua nhẹ như làn gió, con thuyền trên sông mang bóng hoàng hôn. Hoi An, now remember you, ánh đèn lồng rơi xuống dòng sông. Tôi giữ mãi nơi này. Mùi cao lầu bay giữa phố đông, bánh mì thơm nồng từ lo xa. Tôi ngồi nhìn nước thu bồn chảy, ánh lụa đỏ treo đầy trên cao. Hoi An, now remember you, ánh đèn lồng rơi xuống dòng sông. Hoi An, now remember you, lòng tôi giữ mãi nơi này. Thời gian ở đây chậm lại như dòng sông mềm dưới chân cầu. Tôi mang theo về trong tim mình màu của phố, tiếng của sông.
This is when modern life shines. Families lean their bicycles against those yellow walls to share street food. The air fills with the scent of khao lao, a noodle dish you can only truly get in Hoi An, made with water from a secret ancient well. The laughter of children mixes with the strum of a traditional instrument. It's not a museum, it's a vibrant community celebrating its heritage every single night. Now some say Hoi An is frozen in time, but that's not quite right. By day, it's tranquil and perfect for people watching over a strong Vietnamese coffee. But as the sun sets, the town doesn't just light up, it transforms. Thousands of silk lanterns are illuminated, casting a warm, magical glow. The river becomes a mirror of light, with visitors floating, offering candles on the water. This lantern tradition is over 400 years old, and on the 14th day of every lunar month, the town goes electric-free for a full lantern festival. It's an unforgettable spectacle. So, Hoi An is more than a destination. It's a feeling. It's the weight of 2 millennia of history in its wooden beams. It's the artistic legacy in every hand-stitched lantern. And it's the joyful living culture that floods its cobbled streets when the lanterns are lit. It's a place where the past isn't just remembered, it's the very fabric of the present. If you get the chance to go, walk slowly, look closely, and let yourself be swept up in its timeless, glowing charm. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring.